Hello, this Take 5 video clip is going to be focusing on narrating a PowerPoint presentation using Office 2010. So the first thing you want to do is create your PowerPoint slides the same way that you would do if you were going to make the slide presentation to a live audience. Second of all, you're going to connect a microphone to your computer or use a built-in microphone. I would recommend getting a microphone headset. That way you can have hands-free. We're going to open up our PowerPoint presentation in the PowerPoint program, and the first thing that we're going to do is go here to the Slideshow tab. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go over here to Record Slideshow. When you're ready to record, you're going to click on the little triangle, drop-down menu appears, and you can either start recording from the beginning or start recording from the current slide. So that means that you need to be on the current slide that you want to start recording. Or you can record from the beginning slide. There is clear timing and clear narration in case you wanted to clear some of the narrations that you're putting on the slides. We are going to start recording from the beginning. Notice a dialog box appears and I can select the way I want to record. I can select slide and animation timings. That means I'm going to be able to go through the slideshow one slide at a time, time it and narrate it, and I can also have the narrations and the laser pointer, which I will show you how to use the laser pointer. Before I click on the Start Recording button, I just want to describe to you what will happen. The slide will fill your screen and you'll see a dialog box in the upper left-hand corner. The dialog box will let you advance the slides and pause the presentation. If you make a mistake while recording, you can click repeat and you can begin recording that slide again. You can also advance the slides by either clicking the mouse button or clicking the right arrow key and proceed through each presentation slide by slide. You can also click on the escape key on your keyboard if you are done with the narration and you don't want to wait to get to the end of the slideshow. I will demonstrate. I'm going to click on Start Recording. Notice that my screen is filled and I have this little recording box that has appeared on the left-hand side, so I can move it into place over here. It is actually recording me at this time while I'm speaking. If I'm ready to move on, I can click on Next. It will move to the next slide and I can continue to record my narration. If I want to pause for any reason, I can. And then when I'm ready to resume, I'm going to click on the Resume Recording button. The timer is timing each slide that I move through. Here's the slide that I happen to be on right now, and here's the total time of the slideshow so far. If I wanted to repeat that narration for this slide, I'm going to click on this repeat button right here. Notice a dialog box appears and now I can resume recording and start from the beginning. And I can continue to record each slide. Now, another thing that you can do is the Control key and the left mouse button, and notice the laser pointer appears, and then I can go and resume going to the next slide and continue to narrate. And notice it has stopped. That means I'm at the end of my slide. There we go. Notice there was a little delay. So when I stopped recording or it reached the end of the presentation, and again you could have hit escape if you didn't want to finish recording all your slides. Each slide there is a icon, and if I wanted to start it from the beginning to hear it, I can go and click on From the Beginning and it will start my slideshow from the beginning. So now if you're happy with your recordings, you could come over here to the File tab and click on Save As and save it. We always recommend keeping it saved in its native format. That way you can go back and edit in case you want to add to the slides or you would like to re-narrate some of the slides. And once you have that saved, I would recommend saving it as PowerPoint show. I could upload it to my Blackboard Classroom. I hope you enjoy. It's very easy to use, a very easy tool. Thank you and enjoy.